to go and play that. I'm gonna mop the whole house. Pretend she's awake and mop the whole house. I'm gonna do that to sweep since I can't play with Sissy. I wish. I'm gonna go and eat. Guys, I'm gonna be back at 10 p.m. You guys better be good. Okay. That's my car. Remember? Oh yeah. When she drives to a fancy restaurant. He parks in here. Pretend there's so many people in here. I can't believe I'm in this fancy restaurant. I could bring the kids, but never mind. Close the door. Since what I'm gonna do for the whole day is gonna play with Sissy and with my brother, and we're gonna have loads of fun. When they played for 10 minutes. I don't want to play anymore. I'm so tired. My stomach hurts. I want to call my mom. I'm gonna go call my mom. Mom? Yeah? My stomach hurts. Oh, I will be right there at 9 p.m. Okay. 1 hour later. When she arrived. No, but what are you still doing here? What are you still doing here? Whatever. Are you okay? No, my stomach hurts. Oh, I'm gonna be right there. I'm gonna take you to the hospital. Wait, no, I'm okay. No, you're not. You just don't want to go to the hospital. Well, you have to because you're really sick. Oh, okay. Guys, I'm gonna be right back in 10 o'clock. See you guys. Drives car. Hospital. That's enough the hated dog. And I'm gonna make this video tomorrow, and I hope I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.